I'm ready for a breakfast smoothie. How about you? Hi, my name's Karen, the host of Thriving Talk, and welcome to my Smoothie Station series. Today we are making a sweet cherry craisin breakfast smoothie. Come check it out with me. So to start with, I have some ice and some water in my blender. Now because I am using some freeze-dried items, I want to make sure I have lots of moisture. If you're using fresh, then you don't need as much added liquid. So I'm going to start by adding some spinach. So I'm just using freeze-dried spinach so I don't have to worry about the moldy, slimy stuff. And I'm going to put in about a cup. So that's a cup. And then I'm going to add some cherries. So these are my cherries. And they're all pitted and everything, so it's all good, ready to go. There's my cherries. Put those in there. And then I'm going to add some bananas. I just love how the bananas look. So you don't have to worry about moldy slime. Well, they're not always moldy, but slimy, brown, overripe, super sweet bananas. So I'm putting a cup of those in. Actually, I'm going to put some more cherries. I'm going to only put in half a cup. I want a cup of cherries. So these cherries are a little bit more feeling dried than freeze-dried because I'm at the end of my container, but that's okay. And then I have some craisins. So I just have these, I put in a container to preserve them. And I vacuum sealed it so it can last, but now I need to use a knife to open it. So let's see if we can hear the seal break. Or if we can hear it. If I can do this. It is on tight. Ooh, I heard that. I don't know if you could hear it. But I just have some of my craisins preserved that way. All right, so I'm going to put in half a cup of craisins, and half a cup of blueberries. So here's my blueberries. And those ones are freeze-dried as well. So even though they're freeze-dried, sometimes some of these still kind of feel a little sticky because of all the natural sweetness and natural sugars that are in it. All right, there's my blueberries. All right, put that in. Okay, now we're gonna put some chia seeds in. I'm gonna put in 1 teaspoon. So if you haven't used chia seeds before, they're really great. They help thicken things up too. And then I'm going to add some plain Greek yogurt. And I'm only going to add a tablespoon, a heaping tablespoon. Okay, let's blend this up. So now it's done blending. It's time to pour it up. Ready? It's a beautiful purple. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful. All right. That's really nice. I don't usually have smoothies with cherries, so that's a treat. And craisins, they blended up really well. Really good. Really good. Do I have a purple mustache? Try this. It's good. A nice, beautiful, yummy, naturally sweet breakfast smoothie. Well, eat well so we can all have a thriving life. And until next time, bye.